Hi, this is Karina Hairstring and giving you a little short video of this Brazilian knot that I did. These are old ones that she had for almost 4 months, and her scalp, she did a pretty good job at taking care of it. Her scalp is clean. There's not a lot of buildup. She has a lot of nook growth. So we're going to take these down, do a short relaxer, and by short relaxer I mean not bone straight relaxer. Just leave it in for a little bit to relax those tight curls. And here we go. This hair is about 26 inches, I believe, pretty long. I didn't have to do any cutting because I did 26 inches, 23 inches, and I believe 20 inches at the top. So it was pretty layered and I didn't have to do any cutting at all. This is raw Cambodian hair from Strands Attached. This hair is beautiful. It feels good and it has a lot of volume. And here we are, we're done. So this is the top view and you can see everything. Look at that. Oh, so cute. So you can get everything done in one day. You can have a takedown, touch up, relaxer touch up, color, and a new set of Brazilian knot footing. So I'm quickly brushing just to make sure that nothing is loose. So if I get an extreme shedding somewhere, I know to go back in and look for it and fix it. So